Hello everybody. Hello everybody. I like tarot cards, and I have been ordering lots of tarot cards from Temu, and so this is one, the Occult tarot card by McHenry. Is one of the ones I ordered, and I want to show you some of the tarot cards so you can see if you want to order them, and but I won't do any readings or anything like that right now. I'm not very good at it either. It's my mother that's been into that when I was younger, so feels a bit like home for me to look at this. This one seems very dark. I'll read the back side. How can we possibly embrace our truest self seal? Okay, if we never. How can we possibly embrace our true seal if we never steer into the dark? Author and occultist Travis McHenry reveals the secret demons of the 17th century and conjures their powers into this unique 78 divination card set. Learn to tame and harness the beasts that wander between the physical and spiritual worlds, and discover the power of ancient demons to finally embrace and behold the mysteries of the night. I'm not sure that it is appropriate to do things that has demon-like stuff in it, but well, I will show you these. And like what I was, the Emperor Baal is like the devil, so it's like Five of Wands, and it's like, but it looks like it's quite interesting deck of cards. A goddess, Five of Wands, a goddess, the Tower, Rasagu, Five of Pentacles, Gamikin. And maybe you can look into these things a lot, like so it's like you can Google on the demons and the creatures, and Four of Pentacles, Valor 4. This one was a bit scary. And here there's an explanation of understands the tongues of animals, uncovers treasures hidden by magicians, reconciles friends and enemies. The cards are a bit scary. Weird. I don't know, there's a bit, well, Occult tarot, well, what was I expecting? I wasn't expecting it to be like this dark, but I was expecting it to be more like playful. I'm happy that I got it anyways, because this interests me, but I am careful with dealing with these kinds of things. But I do recommend it. It wasn't expensive at all. It's about like €3 or something. So Glacialabulus causes murder and bloodshed, tells of things to come, causes the love of friends or enemies, can make one invisible. Okay. The Sun, Bune, makes one rich, smart, and well spoken. I could need that. Gathers spirits at tombs and changes the places of the dead. Justice, Astaroth, tell how the angels fell, reveals the past, present and future, teaches the liberal science. This fur sounds like a Pokemon. Creates love between a man and woman. Creates thunder and great storms. Gives answers on divine secrets. Okay, there's a creature for everything. And I believe that the symbols here, they are like they mean something, and from where the creatures are, and some are in Latin. I read Latin in school actually. Sometimes there's Latin down here. Well, I got also much more. Well, oh, here's colors suddenly. I almost showed everything, but where was the color on this one? The chariot, Andras, sower of discord, slayer of men. He can kill the master, the servant, and all assistants. Okay. So, I will look this up. Andras. An owl riding on a wolf. Look at this, it's like what? High Priestess Dantalion. These there's some of like this Beelzebub, what? Because what? Because it's the beer, Beelzebub. Lucifer. It gets like worse. It's well, it's not. Don't get this for kids, please. It's too much. Well, it sure is made. Sure is an occult tarot card, so it's great. It's what one order. You get what you order. It's like the fly from like the Signs of the Lambs. What was it called? But I well you get what it says, and that's great. That's absolutely great, of course. So I'm happy with the purchase. I am, and I recommend it if you are interested in the in old demonology. So thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.